How to refund all Google Play purchases. So if you want to refund old Google Play purchases, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Google Play Store. Now once you open up your Play Store, you need to go with the upper right, which has that profile option. Now under your profile, you need to tap on help and feedback. Once you go with help here on the first option or under your popular help resources, you will have request your Google Play refund. Tap on that option. Once you tap on it, you just need simply go with continue, which is on the bottom, and again confirm, and it will analyze all of your recent Google Play purchases. And if you have any purchases, then it will take you to the process of refunding. But in my case, I don't have any purchases yet. But if you have any recent purchases, then it will take you to the process on how you can refund your old Google Play purchases. But you can also go with the other step, which is you can go back and you just need to simply tap on contact us. Once you tap on contact us, then you just need to simply enter the problem. Like for example, I'll be entering refund and then go with next and just choose the reason. I'll choose don't want a purchase and then go with specific area. You can go with Google Play apps and then go with the next step. Under the next step here, you will have the help articles, or you can again go with the next step if you don't find it useful. And here tap on email, scroll down, and here you need to enter your first and last name, and then can you find the transitions on your Google account? You just need to simply go with yes or no if you find your transitions, and if you don't find your transitions accordingly, and then tap on submit. And after that, it will take you to the next page where you can enter your transition ID, your issue, you can describe your issue, and then you can get some contact help. So that's how you can refund your old Google Play purchases. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.